So, the Eufy S380 HomeBase 3 walks in like a tiny security server that looked at cloud subscriptions and said, "Not in my house, buddy."
Damn!
Eufy markets it as a smart security hub with local AI, bionic mind recognition, expandable storage up to 16 terabytes, and support for multiple Eufy cameras and sensors. Basically, it wants to be the brain of your home security setup without charging you monthly just to watch a raccoon steal your trash. The biggest selling point is local storage. Amazon's listing says the S380 includes 16 gigabytes built-in storage and supports up to 16 terabytes expansion, plus Bionic Mind AI and compatibility with cameras, doorbells, and sensors. That sounds great because nobody wants to pay a subscription just to see who delivered the package, who stole it, and who looks suspiciously like your neighbor's teenager. When it works, people really like the idea. Trustpilot reviews for Eufy include users praising the cameras and HomeBase as a strong ecosystem, especially for people who want local storage and no monthly fee. So yes, HomeBase 3 can feel like a smart upgrade if you already have compatible Eufy gear. It's less random gadget and more security command center with a power cable.
Oh my god! Wow!
But here comes the part where the security server trips over its own Ethernet cable. Reddit users have reported HomeBase 3 offline issues after updates, with one recent post saying firmware 3.8.2.8 caused the hub and attached cameras to go offline multiple times every hour. Another thread discussed a loading loop and loss of settings. And when your security hub goes offline, that's not a tiny bug. Final verdict: the Eufy S380 HomeBase 3 is a strong upgrade if you already use Eufy cameras, want local storage, and hate monthly subscriptions. But check compatibility first, expect occasional firmware drama, and remember Eufy has had past privacy controversy around cloud uploads and camera footage. So yes, it can be the ultimate local security server upgrade, but don't treat it like flawless magic. It's powerful, useful, and slightly needy. That's it. Thank you for watching.